My name's Bob Vine and I'm here to ask if you have a dust problem. Because of the changes with the cost regulations, then Airflo Dynamics can offer both Toolbox Talks and dust monitoring for you. They work really well as a single day session. But the Toolbox Talks, very informative, very relaxed, but getting the point across of the cost regs and obligatory to what you need as an employer. But if you don't know you have the problem, then you're not going to look for the solution that would encompass both the monitoring and the staff training all in one go.
I think the presentation that Bob delivered to the people carrying out the tasks on site, that's imperative. It's so important that we get buy-in from the workforce. We need to make them aware of what the problem is so that it makes them understand the solutions that we're putting in place. And it's been very well received by the people on site. I've had very good feedback.
So the Dust Toolbox talk that Bob delivered was very informative, good information and gave good solutions.
I attended Bob's dust demonstration and to be honest I thought it was fantastic. It massively reduced the amount of dust created during pretty much every task that we carried out, and the variance of tools that Bob had to offer to carry out the different tasks and how easy it was for the guys to adapt the tools to the tasks they were carrying out. It was really, really good.
Bob's presentation, yeah, it was very informative. People that might not have known how harmful dust was, so it got the point across.
We can then also go on to assess for you what resolutions you may have to your dust problems. Looking forward to speaking to you. Many thanks.